Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 IRU9. Unity Systems Solutions. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 IRU9, powered by the Intel Core i5-120U processor, offers a balance of performance and portability. It's perfect for users looking for a reliable, fast, and efficient laptop for daily computing needs. Stylish and functional design. Wrapped in a sleek Arctic gray finish, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 blends style with functionality. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while Windows 11 Home offers a modern and user-friendly interface. High-speed storage and memory, featuring a 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD for fast storage, and boot times alongside 16GB DDR5-5200 RAM. This laptop ensures smooth multitasking and rapid data processing. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin. Processor, Intel Core i5-120U, 10-core. Graphics, integrated Intel graphics. The 15.6-inch Full HD display provides adequate brightness and resolution for general tasks. Display, 15.6 FHD, 1920 by 1080, TN 250 nits anti-glare, 45% NTSC, 60 Hz display. Microphone 2X array. Battery integrated 47WH. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 802.11, a x2x2 plus BT 5.2. Keyboard non-backlit, English U. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad. Supports precision touchpad. Speakers user-facing stereo speakers, 1.5W x2. Optimized with Dolby Audio. Camera HD 720p with privacy shutter.